touch the screen and it'll come back.
Is that recording?
Yeah, it's recording. So. Busy, look. So here we are at the Cracker Barrel on Howard Boulevard, and I believe this is Roxbury, New Jersey, or someplace in New Jersey. That's it. There's the Cracker Barrel. So we're gonna go in and use our gift card, which has $64 balance on it.
Why you have a 64?
Well, because
Why you have a 64?
because Heather doesn't really like Cracker Barrel, so.
I don't know how it went out.
You must not have been recording.
It's recording.
I don't know.
Look, it's out.
Touch the screen.
Oh, just touch it.
All right. So you don't really need an umbrella, but maybe you do.
I got my baby umbrella.
So we're going into the Cracker Barrel in New Jersey to use our gift card. So we're going in. This is not Lumberton, North Carolina. So this is the Cracker Barrel, Roxbury, New Jersey unit. Right? You're gonna get the country. Let's look at the Christmas trees first, all right? It's the front porch. Right. They're hiring, look. They're hiring. So they don't have the Christmas trees. We looked around, we didn't see it, so. No Christmas trees here yet. Yeah, that looks good. Is that Christmas tree for sale?
Yeah,
$199.
$199.
That's it. That's the one with the big pine. No, I ordered this. So you got that's the pecan pancakes with grits, coffee, and what else do you get?
That's it.
This is the country fried steak, eggs with grits, and I don't know what that is. Oh, sawmill gravy for the biscuits. Sawmill gravy. So this is I think it's Grandpa's breakfast, but it's got everything with it, I think. Country fried steak. Give it a try. So what do you have to say about your dining experience here?
It was good.
So how was your pecan pancakes?